Hi guys, good morning. Today is a Saturday, which means tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, we're heading towards 3 long days. So today I've thought of doing a reset day kasi I've been in a slump for 2 to 3 weeks na kasi break nga si Light. So walang magbabantay sa kanya, so hindi ako makapunta sa aking usual Pilates class or going to the gym or even going for a run. But anyways, we're not gonna let all of those things stop us from resetting and doing some movement kasi iba talaga yung feeling ko kapag medyo nakakagalaw ako, like intentionally, yung hormones na nakukuha after that parang gives you a happy feel, a happy vibe. Because the weather is so bad as well, parang nadidemotivate ka din na pumunta sa gym. Alam mo yun? Eto na, gagawin na lang natin sa bahay kasi meron naman akong stuff for Pilates. So lately, palaging lumalabas sa aking TikTok FYP yung Pilates by Easy. Let's do that challenge today, guys. Let me find yung kaniyang 25-day challenge ba yun. When I actually do Pilates, nakaka-improve talaga siya sa back pain ko. As a nurse, I'm always on my feet. And also, I do a lot of things na nakaka-affect sa aking back. And Pilates sort of helps me with that kasi ini-improve niya yung core mo, you do a lot of stretching, and meron din siyang strength training actually, especially kapag nagre-reformer Pilates ka kasi di ba may weights yun, may resistance, something like that. I'm gonna look for that challenge and then let's start. This is day 1 of our Pilates by Easy challenge. Let's do it. And this is our fit for today, guys. Itong aking top, very cute, is from TikTok shop, by the way. And then my shorts is from Halara. And then the grip socks is from Amazon. And itong ating setup right now. I think it's this one. Meron siyang 25-day Pilates challenge season 2. Scroll down tayo. Ito ba yung day 1? Okay, wait lang. Easy. Hanapin ko lang ang day 1. Okay. So, ito talaga ang day 1 pala. Nakita ko na, guys. So, without further ado, mag-start na tayo. Day 1 done. Oh my gosh, guys. I get it now. Why people are hyping it up sa TikTok because it looks really easy, but it's not. But it's a good crunch. It's a good way to challenge yourself. I was really challenged. There was a lot of times na I had to pause literally and stop kasi especially kapag matagal ka nang hindi nakapag-exercise and then suddenly mag-exercise ka. My muscles are very stiff and napaka-sore. But it's a good sore and I'm looking forward to doing day 2. So, in the meantime, maligo muna tayo, guys, because I've been wanting to do like a full proper bath since yesterday. So, gawin natin yan. Let's go and get ourselves refreshed muna. Ang katina ng aking buhok, ng aking ulo. I'm gonna try this one again. I got this before from a Korean brand, the Tea Tree Scalp Water Scaler. Kasi lately, grabe yung dandruff ko, guys, especially during the winter na palaging naliligo kami ng warm water. So, parang na-aggravate yung aking grabe ang kati niya. Full on scrub today. Start tayo sa facial scrub. Ayan, you know, I use this one from Arancha. I do as well a hair mask today. This is my favorite hair mask from Fino. I usually just do this like twice a week. Face and body scrub. Ito from Dove. And konti na lang yung laman niya. So, we're gonna finish this today. Like Mama says, gonna take a bath, okay? Ito ang aking conditioner ginagamit ngayon from Pantene. Meron din akong itong Dove na nourishing na body wash. Naman for itchy scalp from Head and Shoulders. Paubos na actually. Hello guys, I'm back and I feel super nice right now after all the scrubbing and I really washed my hair. I just struggled mag full on wash ng aking hair kasi tingnan naman ang haba na niya. And usually nagpapagupit lang ako kapag umuwi kami sa Pilipinas, which we are not doing this year because wala tayong budget. You know, kapag umuwi kami, times 3 lahat kasi 3 kami. So, yung pamasahe alone is like 3,000 pounds. And then, you need a good amount of pocket money, of course, para ma-enjoy mo yung bakasyon mo sa Pilipinas. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang to, guys. Since tapos na tayong maligo before going for lunch, kasi medyo gutom na ako after sa exercise natin, I'm just gonna do a bit of skincare. And first and foremost, maglalagay muna ako ng eye drops kasi sobrang dry ng eyes ko. In fact, yung last eye check ko, kasi I'm always wearing glasses, di ba? Sabi ng eye doctor na my eyes are very dry daw, so I should have this eye drops. Pero talagang I'm one of those people na nagsistruggle maglagay ng eye drops. Bear with me. Comment down below kung paano ito ginagawa. Okay, one down. Itong eye drop nito, medyo oily siya. Kasi parang it helps coat your eye from dryness. Actually, kagabi, oh my gosh, nakalimutan ko palang mag-skincare and that is so not me. Medyo na-distract lang siguro ako kagabi. Gising ako this morning. Ang dry ng skin ko, hindi pala ako nakapag-moisturize. Anyways, mag-toner muna tayo. You know already, this has been the toner I use kapag wala akong stock ng aking usual Korean skincare toner. Toner is so important. You're gonna have 3 steps of skincare. Toner should be one of them kasi it helps neutralize yung acidity ng face mo. I hope you guys are having a nice weekend. Ako naman, gusto kong mag-chill today because kahapon, nag-upload ako. Meron akong ginawa for work. So, today, gagawa tayo ng some work but mostly mag-chill tayo today. Okay? So, maglalagay lang ako ng serum. Usually sa gabi ako nag-serum pero kasi nga nakalimutan ko siya last night. Kailangan kong maglagay today. So ito yung galing sa COSRX. Ayan, half na siya. Kita niyo ba? I really like this. Like if you're planning to get like a skin booster, ito yun siya. This is the 6 peptide skin booster. So talagang ito ang first step before you put any other products kasi parang it helps maximize the effect of the other skincare, which is really great. Very thin lang siya, hindi siya very oily. When I was in my 20s, parang hindi ako ganun ka nag-focus sa aking skincare because it was not a priority for me. Pero simula nung naging trentahin ako, guys, naging ano na siya sa akin, no? Dapat ang skincare ay hindi talaga siya dapat kalimutan. It's one of my non-negotiables in my 30s. So, kita niyo ba, diba? Instant boost ng hydration. And then, hindi tayo magka-complicate today. After nyan is maglalagay lang ako ng aking sunscreen. Right now, I'm using this one from Beauty of Jason. Yung kanilang Rice Probiotics na Relief Sunscreen. Ito na din yung ginagawa kong moisturizer. So, ganyan lang siya. I've tried this before. And it's also good. Diba? After the face, of course, kailangan din natin mag-moisturize sa ating katawan. So, ito yung ginagamit ko lately. Ito, budol din to from TikTok. Madaming nagre-review nito sa TikTok and maganda yung reviews niya. And so far, gusto ko siya because hindi siya malagkit. Especially kapag you're in the season na summer or spring, di ba malagkit yung ibang lotion. Mild lang yung scent niya. This one is Vanilla Cashmere from a brand called EOS or EOS. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. By the way, guys, these are not sponsored, okay? Kaya whatever I say is based on my own personal experience with these products. Ganyan siya, guys. Kailangan nating mag-moisturize. Kapag galing ako ng 3 long days, dahil sobrang abrasive ng sabon sa work, as a nurse, I wash my hands like a million times a day, especially sa NICU. We're very strict with hand washing. After 3 long days ko, sobrang grabe yung irritation sa kamay ko. Itong brand na to is so unfamiliar to me. This is from a brand called Mantle, the SOS lotion. Naghahanap kayo ng lotion na maganda for your hand na hindi nagsisting. Ito siya. Like, hindi overwhelming yung scent niya. Sobrang calming niya. Wala at all na sting. Kasi kaka-recover pa lang ng kamay ko, guys. Tingnan nyo yung kamay ko. It just recovered from my 3 long days. Sobrang red niyan dati. It's healing na. So, I'm really glad na na-remember ko na may lotion pala akong ganito. So, I'm gonna actually take this to work with me. Moisturize na ang ating kamay. Let me comb my hair first. Hindi pa pala ako nagsukle. Tamad talaga akong mag-hair dryer, guys. Kaya, kapag dito lang ako sa bahay, I try to not do it. Okay, let's go sa kitchen and let's prepare for our lunch. Our lunch for today is munggo kasi nagluto ako kagabi ng munggo and madami pang extras. Madami pa namang rice, guys. So, iinitin lang natin ang ating munggo. Tadaan! Ilagay ko yung kaldero sa fridge para hindi na ako magdidikan. I need a bowl. Iniisip ko na nga, guys, anong ulam mamayang gabi kasi yun talaga ang constant, problem sa bahay. Ano ba yung ulam mamaya? Ayan, initin ko lang tong ating munggo. Also, guys, I'm really trying to get better sa aking hydration kasi dito sa bahay, palagi kong nakakalimutang uminom ng tubig. Since I like drinking yung malamig na tubig, ilalagay ko na lang sa fridge yung aking tumbler. Ayan, si Taylor. Welcome back, Taylor. So, ito yung dating bottle ko sa work. Pero inuwi ko muna siya so I could wash it properly. Ayan. In the meantime, inom muna tayo kasi my gosh, hindi pa pala ako uminom ng tubig after ako nag-exercise, diba? O, diba? Feels so good. Ang dami nating hugasin mamaya. After natin kumain, guys, itatakol natin yung laundry. And then, magtutupi na naman tayo ng mga damit. And then, I'll tackle the kitchen afterwards. Keeping an eye on my rice intake. Kasi yung rice talaga, di ba, ang main source of carbs nating mga Pinoy. Siyempre, hindi ko siya i-give up kasi I don't think it's quite realistic for me to do that. So, I've just been like making sure na I know how much rice I'm doing and ganito ko siya ginagawa, guys. Tinitimbang ko yung rice ko. So, kapag lunchtime, I set my rice mga 200 grams. Tapos kapag dinner, I try to make it 150. So, para medyo realistic naman ang ating cutting of carbs. Okay lang talaga ang carbs, guys. So, you just have to portion control it. Ayan. Mainit ng ating munggo. Initin ko lang yung rice. Let's have lunch la, guys. Ito na ang ating food. And let's find something to watch.
I'd like to watch kid.
Let me put some munggo in your plate.
I'm going down the snake.
Kain tayo, guys. Is it good? Hi guys, I'm back. Lumabas lang ako saglit kasi may kinuha akong parcel na hindi na-deliver sa address ko. Thank God. Yesterday, stress na stress ako kasi na-deliver siya sa ibang bahay kasi mali yung postcode na nalagay ng sender. Pero anyways, nakuha ko na siya. I'm just getting ready for Light's bath. Papaliguan ko muna siya. Load na natin yung ating laundry because hahanapin ko pa yung aking scrubs sa kailaliman ng aming punong laundry bag. Yan, yung mga abubot ni Light kapag naliligo siya, lalagay ko lang. Palagi kong sinasabi kay David na i-separate yung white and colored na clothes. Pero ang ending, guys, nagiging mixed pa din sila. I'm just gonna try to separate them again. Nakita ko na yung isa. Don't know where the other one is. Ito na muna ang lalaban natin. So, it's either malinis siya or nasa bag ko pa siya. Oh my gosh. I was looking for it and wala siya sa bag ko, which means malinis na siya. So, mamaya, pag tinupi na natin yung mga damit, baka andun lang siya sa kailaliman nun. Ayan. So, usually, tatlong ganito yung nilalagay ko. Ayan, tatlo. fabric conditioner. Start. So, at least na-load na natin yung laundry. Tatawin ko lang si Light para maligo na siya. Gusto ni Light is nakabantay ako sa kanya kasi takot siya lang mag-isa sa shower. I told him na itatapon ko muna tong garbage and then I'll be with him. Ito pala guys, nilalagyan ko neto yung aming mga garbage can or mga bins namin kasi pampatagal ng amoy, bin odor destroyer para mawala yung amoy. Ako lang ba, pero ang satisfying kapag natapon mo na yung basura, tas naglalagay ka ng bagong trash bins. Ganito na ba talaga ang mga trentahin feels, guys? Ito na ang nagbibigay sa akin ng happiness kapag nalilinis ko yung bahay. Since gusto ni Light na malapit ako sa kanya while naliligo siya, maghuhugas na lang muna ako ng pinggan instead of folding the clothes first. Hindi naman ganun kadami ang hugasin ko, so I should be done quickly. So, iniisip ko pa kung ano. I'm here! Don't be scared! Hugasan ko lang to, guys. So, iniisip ko pa anong pwedeng maulam mamaya. Hindi na pwedeng mag-order kasi nag-order na kami a couple times this month. Mga 2 to 3 times na, which is ang dami na yun para sa amin kasi mahal magpa-deliver dito. We really have to cook if we want to stick to our budget. By the way, I just realized hindi pala ako 3 straight long days this week kasi meron pala akong nakabook na study day for Monday. So it's an ITU study day. If you're watching my vlog for the first time, hi, welcome. I'm actually a NICU nurse here. NICU stands for Neonatal Intensive Care Unit. So, it's like ICU but for neonates. So, yung mga extremely premature babies, sa amin yun napupunta. Meron kaming mga tinatawag na study days or like trainings here. Madami yun in a year, iba-iba. This particular one is for nurses who work in the ICU or ITU kasi yun yung tawag nila dito. So, I'm actually doing that on Monday. So, 8 hours lang yun. I've been really loving working in the NICU. I mean, it wasn't like that when I started. Yung being comfortable and actually wanting to learn more. Kasi when I started, I was always like overwhelmed. Palagi akong anxious. I felt like I did not belong. Or I felt like nursing was not for me. All of those things are valid when you're starting out as a nurse. Pero trust me when I say this, it will really improve in time, guys. Time will make it better and experience. Gusto ko rin yung na-challenge yung aking thinking and skills. Kasi importante din naman yung you're always open for learning. Hi guys, I'm just ticking the stuff that we've already done today. So this is the to-do list that I have for today. Wash uniform done. Pilates done. I actually put in my list that I need to clean my makeup brushes. The most I use is ito lang namang 3. Make myself a cup of coffee later after I've cleaned these brushes. And then we're gonna tackle what's behind me, which is ayan. Kita nyo ba? There's actually more of that in Light's room, yung mga nasa hanger pa. Hi guys! Nalinis ko yung brushes ko. So, it's time to make a cup of coffee. I feel like ito yung aking prize for completing my tasks today. Ayan, let's make ourselves a nice cup of coffee. Huwag kayong mag-alala kasi decaf yung gagawin natin. Ayan, decaf. 4:25 pa naman, so it's not that late. Wala na pala akong oat milk. We can buy that tomorrow. So, in the meantime, mag-creamer na lang muna tayo. Ayan, very Pinoy. Ang creamer namin is, of course, Coffee Mate. Hindi pa pala ako nakainit ng tubig. Ano ba yan? I-refill muna natin ang ating sugar kasi wala nang laman yung jar. Meron na tayong kape to refill our energy. While waiting for this to cool down a bit, Ilalagay ko lang sa bed yung mga kailangan nating tupiin. And of course, you know the drill. While I'm doing something na boring, we have to watch a vlog. We go. And here's another set. Actually, nag-subscribe ako ng 1 month lang naman sa Prime kasi meron silang The Pit. I get the comments sa TikTok na why they like it kasi realistic siya. But since gusto natin ng chill, wag muna yung The Pit kasi medyo madaming triggers doon. Nood muna tayo ng vlog. Sobrang blurry ng glasses ko. Kailangan ko siyang linisin. Bumili kami ng mga disposable wipes kasi sa family na to, dalawa kaming naka-glasses. So, we really need itong mga glasses cleaner. So, instead of spray, ganito yung binili ko kasi para madala ko siya sa work. Ayan. Kita ko na kayo better. By the way, guys, tingnan nyo naman yung notebook ko. As a Swiftie. So pretty. Wait lang. Ang bilis ko ma-distract. Nandito kasi siya sa table ko. Tingnan naman to, guys. Look at this. So pretty, diba? Nabili ko to last year sa TK Maxx. I bought this for, I think, $4.99 each. I actually didn't want to use this. Parang gusto ko lang siyang tingnan. Gusto ko lang siyang gawing decoration. Pero lately, meron akong mga gustong isulat. Parang I want to write more this year. Kasi lahat ng bagay nasa cellphone ko. So like, if I need to make a note or like save something sa phone ko siya ginagawa. Yung isa for work and isa is supposed to be for my content creation life. It says, these notes will never go out of style. So, ito naman, the life of a writer. Diba? Super cute. From someone na talagang who writes a lot, it inspires me to write down my thoughts, my ideas. Na-miss kong magsulat, grabe. When I was in nursing school, grabe yung writing skills natin, diba? Kasi ang dami nating sinusulat. Pero ngayon, nasa digital age na tayo, lahat is kina-copy-paste. Or even if you're writing through your phone or through your devices. Iba pa din yung nagsusulat ka. Hi guys, I'm in Light's bedroom na. Ito yung mga clothes na kailangan kong ilagay dito sa cupboards niya.
What's that? Okay. Oh, it's these patterns. Oh, everything.
Ilagay natin to here. So, let's find the t-shirts. I-organize muna natin to konti. Meron pa kaming mga changes na gustong gawin dito. Pero syempre, we have to take it one step at a time. Maglalaro lang kami ng Mario Kart ni Light.
Which one?
I'm gonna play Mario.
Okay.
Thank you, Light. I want Princess Peach. A whale car.
Try again.
Yeah, let's try again. Don't worry. It's okay, love. Let's play again and Light will be first.
Oh yeah.
It's okay, don't cry. Umiyak siya kasi hindi siya first, guys. Okay? I love you.
I'm ready.
Yeah, is this underwater?
That is underwater. Ah.
Okay, hi guys. Tapos na kami maglaro ng Mario. Light was number 1 on the last game and I was number 2. So ngayon magsasnacks lang siya. Ito yung favorite biscuit niya from the Filipino store. Rubisco na chocolate flavor. Here you go na. And also, kahapon, nagawa pala ako ng purple cupcakes. Tingnan nyo. Hindi ko napansin. Hindi pala siya sweet because kailangan dun sa instructions frosting na ganyan. Eh, wala akong frosting and I don't wanna make it. So, I only made like yung base na cupcake which is wala siyang sugar. But then I thought yung mix, meron na siyang sugar to make it sweet. So, medyo matabang yung nagawa kong cupcakes yesterday. So, instead of that, ito na lang guys, yung puto na lang because wala tayong egg. And this one, I only need 1 cup water, half cup sugar, and 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Steam natin siya for 15 to 20 minutes. So, kailangan nating hugasan ang rice cooker kasi may laman pa siyang rice. Let's slice the cheese. Gusto natin ng madaming cheese. Thinking of like putting some mozzarella cheese kasi meron kaming mozzarella cheese sa fridge na mag-expire na best before today. Some mixture here. Hindi ko alam kung maganda ba tong idea na to. Yung half lang ang lalagyan ko guys para in case kung hindi siya good, then I know. And then the rest is, ito na, Eden cheese lang ilalagay natin. The cheese. Ay! Ayun na guys, let's put it here sa ating kumukulong rice cooker. And we're gonna steam this for 20 minutes. So, I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. Ayan. Woo! They're so big. Check lang natin guys kung luto na ba to. Okay. I think I'm gonna take it out. And meron lang akong hybrid dito na extra nung purple na cupcake na ginawa ko kahapon. Isa sa labas na lang para meron tayong ma-try out. Ayan, tatlo na lang yung natira. Jumbo yung ating puto. Look at the cheese. Hey guys, I'm back. It's actually mga magsi-7 na. Nagawa ko na yung dinner natin. So, it's just pork with some potatoes. Last sa list ko is to finalize a presentation, PowerPoint presentation.
Look!
Wow! Light is building a bridge. Ayan, to-dos natin. Isa na lang yung natira, which is yung PowerPoint presentation ko about neonatal reflux. I'm so happy na nagawa natin lahat ng kailangan natin gawin today. Sobrang productive natin today, guys. I'm so proud of us. Today is such a good day that we deserve a very good nighttime routine. I'll see you guys in a bit.